Hi folks, how are you? Today we have a session for information gathering for cybersecurity and for board scanning. It's very important tools called Nmap. Okay, Nmap. So I already prepared for you small training about Nmap, just maybe 2-3 minutes theoretical, and we come back again to the practical. So as we see here, Nmap it is a shortcut for network mappers. It is free and open source. It is used for as scanning tools created by Gordon Loyan. Also, Nmap is a powerful tool that help network administrators and security professionals to discover the host, the network. The host could be specific host or range of networks and the services on computer networks. So it also identifies the devices. What kind of devices? Maybe server, Windows, Linux, Apache, whatever. Okay. Then it can show you the open port in that server or that client or that host. Also, it can run services, show you the running services in that host. Plus, it can detect the vulnerabilities. So it's used for both scanning, for vulnerability scanning, devices inventory, and many other things. So we have a GUI, a version of Nmap, which is called Nmap. We can see this later on. It is only GUI, and it has limited feature other than Nmap. Nmap it has full feature using terminal. Nmap it can use look like a good features. We'll see later on. So a typical uses for Nmap for security auditing, for network inventory, for vulnerability detection, and for performance monitoring, where we'll measure response time and analyze the network performance. Okay, so typical key features for Nmap. We have many key features. Just very briefly, we have host discovery, port scanning, services and version of the services, operating system, whatever can detect. Also operating system detection and their versions. Nmap scripting engine, it has an engine we can create or find advanced Nmap script. You can use it. Later we'll see this one. Also flexible output. We have output various of output format like text, XML, HTML. Also it has adaptability. It can perform scan for large network efficiently. Okay, so let's now, before going to that practical, only I need to highlight Nmap categories. I make categories for Nmap for the commands and used in the terminal. We have active commands or active scanning, and we have passive commands. Active commands that mean when the user or the attackers, he need to scan victim networks or host, he need to send a request using packet request using Nmap commands. The logs will be recorded in the victim or the destination client. Okay, for passive commands, this will not be recorded, will evade to be recorded, because the firewall IDS at the client or the victim will not be able to record the Nmap request, because using some passive way, how to, for example, maybe send half session, not community, because you know TCP has three-way session acknowledgement, and maybe he can just open the session, keep it open, and will not require to reply. It has another things also. I show you the option later on. So let's jump now for technical. Okay, technically we have Nmap. First of all, we just write in. We open from the terminal here. We write Nmap, and when we write -h, that means I need to see the help of the Nmap. What the options I can use and examples. Enter. So let's maximize this one. Come up to see and read from the beginning. So we have Nmap version 7.95. We can access through nmap.org. Okay, it's used for scan, and the type of scan, it has option, and the target victim or host could be range of network, could be a specific IP address of the host. It can pass host name. You can also use host name, IP addresses, and network, as we say, range of networks. For example, this example, we can make Nmap scan. We see now, scan me Nmap.org. It's free and is legitimate and allowed to scan this organization because it's the mother company of Nmap. Also give you some example. If you need to Nmap Microsoft /24, that mean the last octet. Okay, let's say this is for example, we have 24 octet. We have 4 octet, 1 2 3 4. The first 3 octet is for networks. If you have 24, is fixed, and the last octet is variable we use for 1 to 20 254 networks. Okay, here we put 0 to 255, means 0 is a network ID and 255 is a multicast ID. So that means we have 1 to 54 IP, can put it here instead of the 1. Okay, when we make /24. Now we have many options. Show us options here. Dash or -il, that mean input the file name, where we have a file name inside a list of IP addresses of hosts or networks. We need to scan it, so we use this option to specify the word list of the IP addresses. So we have IR, so you need to read this one. This is used randomly in the target. You need to use this one, and for our today's session I will show you the most common and best practice using Nmap. So let's start now. Now we start with doing Nmap -sn, okay, and our IP address range. Before that, I need to show you, I have to, in my networks, I have 3. The first one I'm using Kali 2024, and I have other 2 hosts, Kali 2021 and Metasploit machine. Metasploit machine, the IP address will be the range 192.168.202 and 132. Okay, I need to show you for your information. And I have the Kali 2021 if config I have IP addresses which is 202.128, 132 for the other device and 128 for this device, plus my device. Before that one I have this if config my device is 129. Okay, just unclear. I need to show you this information until you know we have my range will be like this: Nmap -sn, and my IP range 192.168.202. This is my range, .0. Okay, and /24. That means 24. That means the first 3 octet is 24 is fixed. Only the 0 will be show me the host from 1 to 255. That means 0 to 255. 0 is the network ID and 255 is the broadcast. So the IP will be from 1 to 254. I can put 1 or 254 like this. So I make it 0 because I mentioned I need to range. I need to scan the range network, not specific IP. If specific IP, it could be like this. When, for example, 128, that one in my device, right? No, I need to discover now. Let's run. Okay, start. Sorry, I forgot to put the 0. I need to put it again. Okay, enter. So it show me there's what? There's show me the active IP addresses in my network, and dash SN mean only show me the network and disable the port. I don't want to make port scanning. Okay, if you look for help in map -h to see SN what that mean. Okay, let's come back here. We have SN, this one, you see, Bing is Bing scanning, disable the port scanning, no need to make port. By this help you can find whatever you need, okay, and check the options you needed. Come back again to our, okay, yeah, so it show me only the active IPs in my networks. If you need more details, I can do. So for more details, so last in this stage I'm showing you the active command where it will be interact with the victim or the destination host or networks, and this will be recorded as a logs in their systems. So it's called active. I can turn on the active. When I reach to the passive, I show you this passive. Okay, so we have Nmap minus capital O, or maybe capital mean operating system, show me the operating system, okay, or maybe keep it without anything, just I get one IP address, which is, let's say, give me one IP address, this one for example, okay, copy selection and back here without put any option. It give you many details as you put many options. Okay, paste selection, enter. It show me here what it show me. The port numbers are open. Okay, with open port numbers. It show me the services are used inside this host, and it show me it is VMware and the MAC address. It show me many informations. Even if you make like this, make minus capital O over system, it show me the same information, by the way. Show me the over system and the same. Okay, what show me? I think finish, right? Yes, show me hosts up running, same information. Still we are using what? Detection performed. Okay, now IP address, please report any incorrect. Okay, but show me operating system is Linux. You see it has more information as before. Without O, with O it has more information, and show me is Linux and the version of the Linux as well, and show me the ports and other things. Also we have option. I want to show you how to can do other advanced search. Okay, let's make clear. We can go in map again -h, which is a in map -h. Okay, back again to the beginning. Okay, here. So as you see, the options are based on categories: target specification, host discovery, if you need to discover the host. See here many things. BN treat all hosts as online, CN as we did already, BO protocol, and so far. Here we have scan techniques, SS. Okay, very important. SS have stealthy scanning. That means I will not use the full 3 handshake session. I will use only 1 or 2 and keep it open session to be stealthy. Okay, using SS and using TCP, by the way. Okay, if you need to use for example UDP, you need to mention U. I will show you the options. Okay, so we have also port specification and scanning order. We have services using SV, very important for services, --p, which is good for range of for example here we have when we make Nmap -p from 1 to 65,000 port okay, maybe this is too much port. I need to scan only a specific port. Dash P, U, that means UDP, 53, DNS, UDP DNS, and also port 111, 137, plus I need T, colon 21. T means TCP, not UDP. 21 till 25, comma, separated, that means 80, and other separated port 139, and other separated 8080, and we have skin protocol, different protocols. Okay, so this is an option. Also, what we have services version detection, SV, we have script. Script is very nice, by the way. I will now make script to show you very important scanning to find the vulnerabilities. Most important, what we need to know? We need to know the open ports. We need to know the services are used in the victim machine. We need to know what the vulnerabilities, where we can, not me, not you, I mean the hackers exploit these vulnerabilities to access the victim machine. So let's start now, do this one together. Nmap minus S capital C, and we'll put our IP address of internal 168 192.132, which is our vulnerability machine called, I think will be exploitable machine, I'm not sure. Let's wait. By the way, we are using what is doing scanning. We are using SC, okay, as we mentioned, which is this one. It uses default script from, remember what I said, SNE, which is Scan Network Engine. Nmap, it has a Scan Network Engine. It has many scripts. The default script we are using to get more detailed output of the victim will give me a lot of information, as I mentioned to you. Okay, the script, maybe if you need to put customized script, we'll make dash dash script equal, okay, and so far. Provide argument, also you can use argument with script, okay. So it's very advanced scanning. Just I'll show you, it belong to NSE, which is Nmap engine, scanning engine. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, we have the result right now. We got the result. So as we see here, we have many results. It gives me very full details result using the default script of Nmap. I will show you the script where it is mentioned in our Linux, Kali Linux machine. But first, let me see this real information. What information we get from this scripting, default script of Nmap. We get the host is up. We have many ports. Okay, show me port 21, which is FTP. It show me the FTP server status connected, and so is there's no session right now. Timeout found. Okay, what else? FTP anonymous. Okay, now we know that FTP has a vulnerability. Anonymous, that means any user from outside he can access to FTP. He can put any username without username. He can access. So what else? We have 22 open SSH. Okay, and SSH hotkey, and so far open 32 Telnet. By the way, Telnet is unencrypted. That means it is also a kind of vulnerability. Show me Telnet. Telnet is unencrypted. SSH is encrypted, by the way, but Telnet not encrypted. That means if we use the customer use Telnet, or the victim use Telnet, the hacker can make eavesdropping or intercept the session of Telnet machine and get the username and password and can access the system as well. So what else we have? 25 SMTP email is okay. We have, you see, it has many information. We can use it to find the vulnerabilities of the machine. We have DNS TCP. as well. DNS is ID bind to version. For example, let's see the hackers will get information. We have a lot of information. Let's take this information for example, okay? For TCP DNS, we make search about it, copy. I want to exploit database.com is very famous where you can find all the vulnerabilities. Okay, I search for that one. What I did, I just make known vulnerability for this one. I already put it. I go many. I found this one, very famous one. Then I get inside to see the vulnerabilities. I can use it to attack this machine. For example, show me that bind. It is remote DNS cache poisoning, can make poisoning. For it is Metasploit machine. Yeah, I'll show you at the end of our result in the scanning. What else? It show me the exploit ID. This one very important, and the release of this ID and the title. Title is very important. Title. By title, you can search in the exploitable about this vulnerability, and you find the vulnerability, and you can access. It show me down here. I show you the example. For example, should be show me here maybe? No, here. Yeah. When you go to MS console, same machine with that one. For example, when we make MSF console here, we can go inside that console, okay, environment, when we can use environment to attack using MS console to attack the other machines. Let's now wait until finish. Okay, just I need to show you the example. First, I come here to what? I will take a copy from this title name. Copy. Okay. First, you need to make use. Search first. Okay, search about this attack, then use. After use, you need to set the host, remote host, the domain, and so far. But I will not do this. This will do it in next session, or next session. I mean upcoming sessions. How to do the attack of exploit. It's called exploit sessions. Okay. But I'll show you how you can get the vulnerabilities using Nmap. Okay. So okay. For example, it's already done. Okay. Next search. For example, sorry, now it's coming to console. Search, show me everything, okay, but I need search, this one, enter, it show me that one. I can copy that one, I use it, as mentioned here. You see use, and that one, you can use it. Let's see, use, but I will not continue, just I need to show you. Okay, copy it up to here, paste, enter. Now we can continue to make an attack to machine. Okay, this will do it as I promise you in upcoming sessions. Just return back to our search. Okay. I think we are here. I show you how we get the information and search about the vulnerabilities until we can conduct an attack. Okay. So what else? Show me many information. MySQL, port number. This one. You see many things. Okay. Let's go at the end. Okay. At the end. Maximize. Yeah, it show me net page. The name of the machine is called Metasploitable machine. Okay, this is what I need to show you at the beginning. What's the name of the machine? And show me a lot of information using open ports, using the vulnerabilities and other useful information. The host name, and the services, operating systems, and so far. Okay, this is very important. How to find this script in my PC. I'll show you. Locate Nmap. Okay, the location will be here. Let's see this one. Copy. CD. Enter. ls. We have script. You see? CD script and ls. We have too much script here. There's a lot of script for Nmap. Okay. For example, we can take one script. For example, we can take this one, copy, Nmap script, okay, then put here that script, selection, paste, okay, sorry. Then we need to what? Mention the target. Our target I mentioned 192.168.0.0.1 again 132. Enter. Okay. This show me this HTTP only for HTTP title. Show me related open ports and services. So the one I used, which one? The first one, which most is the default one, is more stronger. It shows me a lot of information. That one. On. This is using default script of Nmap. Show me a lot of information. I'll show you before. Only one dash, not double dash. Okay. Like this, we can use the script for SNE, which is scanning network engine. Oh, sorry, scanning script engine. Okay, NSE, Nmap script engine. What show me as I showed you before. So let's close this one. No need to continue. Control C. Okay, now what else? So I need to show you about scanning scanme.nmap.org. This is their mother company, is allowed to make scanning and practice scanning on this website, public website. So what I will do here, enter. So after I put nmap dash v, small v, which is verbosity, to give you more detailed, okay, to give you more detailed, and we have dash small s capital V, which is services and the version. We have dash capital O, which is the operating system, and dash P, which is a port. The port I mentioned T, which is TCP. I put the port number 21, 22, 23 maybe, and we have U, which is UDP 53, DNS 53 UDP, and we make for scanme.nmap.org, which is the mother company of Nmap. It's allowed for you to make scanning and practice scanning on this public web domain. Okay, instead to use IP address, I use the domain name, fully qualified domain name of this Nmap. It's allowed, no problem for practicing. So we enter and we get this information. Starting, we need to read together. We have more than 48 scripts from the Nmap script engine. Okay, initialing pink. Okay, so you need information. What we get here, we get port number close 21, FTP close. We have only 22, which is SSH open, and using this version, Openton Ubuntu version 2.13. It is Linux protocol 2. Aggressive operating system, I guess. Okay, you need to read the information. Also, we have Microsoft Windows XP, Surface Pack 3, Windows 7, Windows Server 20, and so far in there. So what we get here, they have server, Windows 7, they have Linux. Okay, what else? So we get a lot of information from this scanning. You can do what? This will take time. Dash SC, which is default scanning scripting for Nmap. Enter. I will stop the video. You see, show me still now not give me the result. Take long time. I will cut after maybe 6 minutes. Okay, I will close the session. I will do it like this. Okay, I will come to, because the default timing is T minus T3, but we need to make T5. It will be more faster. Okay, I will wait. I will check. But before that, let me show you another session. Okay, I have other session there. I have in map minus SN and the IP, or maybe scan me dot nmap.org. What that mean? So S mean scanning for N. N mean null. What that mean? No flag, like what? Like seen, acknowledge, finishing, that mean, and reset the session. You know, when you talk about TCP handshake, first we'll do synchronize with the target. After that, we send sync acknowledge. After that, acknowledge, and we send the information between two pair of the sender and receiver. I mean, receiver is the target of the victim. After that, we make a finish, fin, or reset. After reset the session, okay, or finish the session to finalize or release the session. So that mean will be look like stealthy. This is good for firewall or IDS will not discover the scan. We send no TCP flag at all, only to check the open ports. Okay, and this is very useful for not the firewall not will detect scanning Nmap scanning, will not be record logs again, because the hackers will be synonymous. Okay, he need to be a synonymous and no need to be shown himself until he's afraid from any kind of penalties or sanctions. So it shows the ports open or closed. If there's a response, that means the port is closed. Okay, if that means reset, something like this. There's no any response at all, is open, that means, let's see now, that means the board is open. Okay, so after we do the scan using SN, which is scanning for null, as I mentioned for you, it show me this result, show me started this time, okay, and date, and show me the public IP address of this domain, okay, and show me also the latency, mean the time response time, which is 39 milliseconds. Also show me addresses of scan, not scanned. Okay, look like IP version 6. This is IP version 6, and this is IP version 4. And show me all the boards are ignored state now. So not show me open filtered. What that mean? Open and filtered. That no response. No response should be the reason maybe the port is open, or maybe the filtered by firewall, blocked by firewall. Both cases. That means there's a port unopened or filtered by firewall. Okay, this is the explanation for this one. So what else? I can use other one, which is instead of null, fin look like null, stealthy scanning. Only send the fin flag finish. That means we will not sell the full handshake. It's good for firewall and IDS to not be detected, and will give same result. If no response, that means the board are open. So give me here 1000 mean the 1000 common board. But if you need to make more specific, we can make like this. So I can put -p TCP 2123. Maybe I can put for example TCP 53 also, 80 443 80 whatever, and UDP 53 and the target. Enter. Let's see the results. Show me open, filtered. Yeah, stays open and filtered. Okay, that mean this port have two options: open or filtered. Open ports or filtered. That means blocked by firewalls. So we can maybe you can get this information, the attackers, to use this against the victim. What else? So I have the option which is SS, small s, and a large s. This is very common and best practice scanning for Nmap, because it's using scene scan, one of the most popular and efficient scanning. It works by sending scene packet to the target port and analyze the response. Also, the result, if the scene acknowledge is received, the port will be considered open. If the reset RST is received, the port will be considered as closed. So this method is often very popular, and it is half open scanning because it doesn't complete the TCP handshake, as I told you, and will be considered as stealthy scanning and will be more faster than normal TCP scanning. See here the result. Yeah, very fast. And show me. So we have an option using T. Okay, we can make T5. So in map scanning, it has optional timing template from T0 to T5. T0 actually 0 or 1, they are used for very slow scanning, and they will not be discovered or detected by the security control like firewall, IDS from the victim or network, targeted networks. But it will take very long time because doing the scanning very slow, until it will be stealthy and not detected. Actually, we have T2. T2 used for during business hour, until will not take long time, and the meantime giving good result and stealthy. T3, which is default timing template, will be normal between fasting or slow. But T4 and T5, which is more faster and aggressive faster, In our case, it will take very long time. I can make T5 or T4 and do our scanning. This is the last scanning template I show you. I need to show you more information and I close the session after that. So let's run this command of scanning using T4. So the last option for today's session, I need to show you scanning using U. U mean UDP. We use UDP scanning to find the services used over UDPs, okay, or UDP services. Okay, here we have S scan UDP. T, capital T mean TCP. Then minus or dash SV, which is services and the version. Then minus capital O, which is operating system, and minus dash V or minus V, small v, it is verbosity. It will give you more details. I give the same target, which is that one. It show me, okay, about everything related to UDP. See, UDP, and so far. Also, I will close the session to give you more option. Also, you can use minus small b, the port. You can put UDP port and the port numbers, maybe to some whatever port numbers for any application, you know, you can put it, or maybe whatever, okay, 53 and so far, for example. Also, you can make T TCP port, also 53. Yeah. Now what I will do also before B, I make dash T5 more faster and enter. Show me T is not having specified any TCP scan type. Okay. That mean, you know what that mean? That mean I use T as TCP, but I didn't use TCP scanning. I use only UDP scanning. What I will do, the same, I will use also TCP scanning with UDP. Dash ST. Okay, ST mean scanning using TCP, and also SU UDP scanning. I'm just showing the optional. Enter. Should work now. Should work at error port list and non port U. Okay. That means I need to make U capital, not small, for port numbers. UDP. Enter. Now it works. You see? I just keep it until do troubleshooting, and you see the best option to put. Today is finished our session. Thank you for joining me for today's session. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget for subscription, likes, and comments. Also share to others for to get useful for this information. And the upcoming sessions, I will try to start doing the attacks. Maybe I need one more session for gathering information and enumeration. After that, I will start the session for attacks. Have a good day. See you for the next session. Take care. Bye.